let's start building the CRUD functionality. First of all, I'm going to build a product module. In NestJS application, you will have a root module, which is application module. You can see that we have the application module. This is our main module, application module. So you can divide your Nest application into multiple modules. Similarly, in this way, we can have user module, orders module, chat module, and similarly, you can have further feature modules. In our application, I'm going to create a new separate module for the products, and each module can have these controllers, providers, and imports. You can use nest g module, or you can use m. Let's say I'm going to use module, the name of the module, which is products. Awesome. A product module has created. Now you can see that we have products module. Instead of importing controllers, product controller inside the app module, we need to replace into our products module. So I'm going to delete that from this app module. Let me remove the products controller. I need to have controllers array. It should be products controller. Cool. App module is using the products module because it has imported successfully. You can also import multiple modules here. So we have app controller, we have app service. Let's try to test the application. So my application is running. We have a couple of endpoints in the products controller. I'm going to send request to this endpoint /products. I think it looks good, but I don't need this header and the HTTP code. I'm going to remove that. I'm also going to delete this route. That looks good. Make sure I run the application in the development mode. Let's try to send the request. Cool. A new product action is working now. So it's time to create the product service. If you have worked with Angular, we will define all the controller logic inside the service. No, it's not an ng, nest generate service, the name of the service, which is products. Awesome. I got the product service. You can see that it has automatically it has automatically added the entry inside the providers. So in this way, you can use the product service in your controller. So I'm going to define the create. Here you will write your database logic here, or your array logic, something like that inside here, your persistent logic here, your DB logic here. So you can see that it is injectable. They created the injectable decorator. It means you can inject it as a dependency. I'll teach you more about the dependency injection later. Let's say it is going to take the product or something like that. Let's say it is going to take the product. and it should return the array of the products. So we did not define the array. I'm going to define array here, products. It should return array, but I'm not defining right now. Let's say it is going to return the products. Cool. Make sure I need to return that. Cool. So how can I use this product service inside the products controller? We need to inject it as a dependency. To inject the dependency, we need a constructor function. I'm going to write the name, which is product service. Let's say I need to import the product service. Cool. That's all you need to do. Now I can use this method, this dot product service. It is going to expect the product. So let's say I want to provide ID, which is 1, name, which is MacBook Pro, QTY1, and you can also provide the price. And you have to return that. I need to use this method create. I'm using this string, so get rid of this one. Let's start the application in development mode. Awesome, I got the empty array. If you will return the product, you will get your exact same product. Awesome, I got the same exact product. No, I got this product, this one. Let's say if I want to add into the array, you can also do that. Let's say this dot products dot push. I'm going to push the product and return the products array. Now I got a new product. Let's say I'm going to click it again. I got 2 products. So we successfully created this service. We injected the service as a dependency injection because it has written the injectable decorator that marks class as a provider. So provides can be injected into other classes via constructor parameter. When injected provide, it must be visible in the module scope, blah blah blah. You can read this definition. So in the next video, we will refactor our this product service dot create method. I'll show you how to get the data from the request body, because we need to get the data from our request body. In the next video, I'll show you how can you do that.